Good day, students. Welcome to your first lesson on geometry and measures. So what is geometry all about? Geometry is like the language of the universe, offering a unique way to see and understand the world around us. Imagine being able to look at a bridge, a flower, or even the night sky and see the patterns and shapes that make up their structure. That's the power of geometry. It's about more than just memorizing formulas or calculating areas. It's about exploring how shapes fit together, how they transform, and how they exist in space. Starting with simple shapes like squares and triangles, we begin to see the beauty in their simplicity and the logic that governs them. From there, geometry invites us into a realm of more complex forms, like the stunning symmetries of polyhedra or the endless patterns of fractals. Each step deeper into geometry reveals more about how our world works, both in the tangible things we can touch and see, and in abstract concepts that challenge our imagination. So, as you delve into this subject, remember that every new shape and concept you learn is a piece of a larger puzzle. Geometry isn't just a part of mathematics, it's a way of thinking that opens up a new perspective on the world. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey, because the more you understand about geometry, the more you'll appreciate the intricate and beautiful patterns that make up everything around us. As your GCSE maths tutor, it's my pleasure to guide you through this intriguing voyage into the world of shapes, sizes, properties, and the space we live in. The history of geometry dates back to ancient civilizations of Egypt and Babylon around 2000 to 1800 BC. It started with practical uses like land surveying, creating timekeeping systems, and aligning buildings to the stars. Learning geometry and measures helps to develop practical skills which can be used in real-world scenarios. In architecture, for example, understanding these concepts is vital to create structures that are both aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. In astronomy, geometry and measures are used for determining the positions and distances of celestial bodies and understanding the scale of the universe. Beyond its practical uses, learning geometry and measures also deepens our abstract mathematical reasoning. Through studying the properties and relationships of shapes, angles, lengths, and volumes, we develop a greater understanding of abstract concepts and thus broaden our overall mathematical strength. The structure of this unit follows through 5 subtopics. First, we will begin the adventure by expanding our language of mathematics. This section, known as describing shapes, helps us build our geometric vocabulary. These terminologies form the basis for describing shapes in detail, a fundamental step in our exploration of geometry. Second, we delve into the realm of two-dimensional shapes. Starting from the basics, we familiarize ourselves with various two-dimensional forms, exploring their distinct properties and capabilities. We learn to prove facts based on these properties, fostering our analytical thinking. Next, our journey takes a dynamic turn as we transform shapes. We explore transformations, enlarging, reducing, shifting, rotating, and other ways of changing shapes. This step equips us with skills to concisely describe these transformations using the geometric language we've picked up along the way. Moving up a notch, we then shift our focus to three-dimensional shapes. Trading the simplicity of flat figures for the complexity of 3 dimensions, we explore how to describe these forms and understand their relationship with two-dimensional figures. Lastly, in real-world scenarios and techniques, we take all that we've learned so far and put it into practice. We observe and comprehend where, when, and how geometry is used in real life. Unveiling the wonders of geometry in practical situations, we recognize and appreciate the useful applicability of our newfound knowledge. This fascinating exploration progresses from easier concepts to more complex ones, so it's perfectly okay to revisit previous modules if you find later topics difficult. Remember that mastering these skills comes with practice and is a crucial part of your GCSE maths success. Can't wait to witness your mathematical growth as we venture ahead.